Hey guys, welcome back to the Starkerville YouTube channel. We have some amazing DeWALT deals for you today. Acme Tools has a 2-day flash sale going on. It actually started yesterday, so today, August 20th, is the last day to take advantage of these deals. I will have the links down in the description below, but this is a sliding scale promotion. You do not need a promo code. The discount automatically comes off when you add the item to your cart. There are some exclusions, but a lot of DeWALT stuff was included, and I tried picking out some deals that were not the typical just drill or impact driver, things that we don't see typically go on sale or aren't included in promotions usually, because that's really the best way to take advantage of these. So depending on your order total, you'll save anywhere from $15 to $50 off. The first deal we're looking at is the DeWALT 20 volt max power cleaner kit. It's 550 psi. As a kit, it does come with the 5 amp hour battery. If we go down here on the page, we have everything that's included. The 5 amp hour battery, we have some nozzles, the power cleaner. It lists 5 amp hour battery twice, but it looks like you're just getting one. And of course the charger. It looks like everything's listed twice. That's goofy. Anyway, it's 550 psi, so it works with the garden hose and then the cordless battery, and it has the different nozzles. So it's a power washer, but it's not super power, you know. It's not going to do a ton of stuff, but it's one thing that I've been really curious about and would like to buy myself. Anyway, here over at Acme, when we add it to our cart after the flash sale, I like that they have the double capital letter here. 2 days running, you think they would have caught the typo. 164, and then you're going to have to pay for shipping unless you add something else to your cart, because Acme Tools has free shipping on orders $1.99 or more. I believe it's either $5.99 or $6.99 flat rate shipping if you don't get to that threshold, so you will have to add in the shipping charge. But if we check Amazon, they have it for $298.99. Hell, you might want to buy it at Acme, and then if you have a selling account on Amazon, sell it over there. $1.99, but out of stock at Home Depot. Good old Farm and Fleet has it for $199.99. Tool Nut $199, and that's Acme again. We already looked at that one. So 164, 30 or so dollars off. A nice little deal on that one. Now here we have the DeWALT 17-inch string trimmer brushless attachment capable bare tool. So much like the Milwaukee Quick Lock system, except Milwaukee came up with a much better name than attachment capable bare tool. So normally $249, but using this promotion we're going to get it for $219. That is going to get us free shipping. And if we look at some comparables, CPO has it for $249, Home Depot $249, Tool Nut $249. So save yourself $30 over at Acme Tools on that one. Next up, we have the 15-gallon 200 psi workshop compressor. You can see it is a vertical compressor, and it does have free shipping. Now, one thing about Acme Tools and really a lot of other stores is when you get to the larger items, the promise of free shipping kind of goes out the window, and they have either handling charges or maybe a freight charge or anything, depending how big the item is. But this one does still come with free shipping, and we add it to our cart. We get down to $349. And as we look at the comparables, look at this on Amazon. $541. Home Depot $399. Lowe's $399. Tool Nut $399. And then International Tool actually $456.99. Next up, we have the 20 volt max miter saw with battery and charger, starting at $379, but it meets the $50 threshold. So as you can see, when we put it in the cart, $329, and of course free shipping with that. Now this comes with the kit, so you do get a battery. I'm not overly joyed by the battery and charger that they included with this. I think with it being the miter saw, even though it's smaller, they could have done better than this 4 amp hour battery. And the DCB 112 charger that's included is a 2 amp output charger, so it's roughly going to take you 2 hours to charge that 4 amp hour battery. So I don't really like the pairing. I feel like they went with the cheapest combination they could to put with this saw. I would at a minimum want a 5 amp hour battery, but anyway, also it's usually pretty cheap to find a DCB 115 charger on either eBay or Amazon if you are in need of a charger or want a better charger, because that's a 4 amp output, and unless you go to the big yellow one that has the built-in fan, which is it's the DCB 118 and it has 8 amp output. The DCB 115 is, it's fast enough and it's cheap, so that's the one I would recommend getting. But anyways, I wish it was that charger instead of this one included here. Um, Over at Home Depot, it is $369, International Tool $379, Tool Barn $379, and Tool Nut $384.99. So $329 at Acme. Now for this deal, we have the 4.5 gallon, 225 psi job site compressor. See, normally $349. Again, we get the $50 off, so $299. If we can get the pictures to do anything. You can see I like it's got the 10-inch non-flat foam tires. I really like those. I've been changing out my dollies and like lawn cart and stuff to these non-flat tires because I am so incredibly tired of having flat tires around here. I feel like I must have 20 different objects that have wheels, and everything is always a flat tire. So if they're well made, they work really well. I've heard people complain about cheap ones that kind of break up and aren't so great, but hopefully DeWALT's actually using quality stuff. I would expect it to, at least. And then we got this collapsible handle, which is kind of cool. So $299 on that. You can see when we add it to the cart, we got it there. And then if we go over to Amazon, $499.53, $349 at Home Depot, $349 at Lowe's, and $399 at Tool Nut. So there you go, guys. There's 5 deals that I would consider taking advantage of over at Acme Tools with this DeWALT promotion going on. Definitely, if you're looking for something specific, look it up and see what kind of discount you could get for it. Maybe run the prices against some other stores to see if it's a good deal for you. And as I said, all the links will be down below. So, thanks for watching. Give the video a like, and make sure to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber.